Eyes across Jamaica. News from every angle.
Let's see what is popping in the news. 7 Jamaicans were among 14 Caribbean nationals suspected of involvement in a human smuggling venture off the south coast of Florida, who were held by the United States Coast Guard last week, it was reported yesterday. The 42-year-old data entry clerk has been charged with breaches of the Dangerous Drugs Act after she was reportedly held with cocaine at the Sangster International Airport in Montego Bay, St. James. The police said the accused, identified as Stacey Ann Smith of Montego Bay, was found with approximately 3 pounds of cocaine in her possession after arriving at the airport about 11 a.m. She was to board a JetBlue flight to Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Smith was subsequently arrested and charged with possession of cocaine, dealing in cocaine and attempting to export cocaine. The illicit drug has an estimated street value of US $68,000, said the police. Smith is scheduled to appear before the St. James Parish Court on March 29. As we move on. The teenager is now in hospital following a drive-by gun attack in downtown Kingston on Monday afternoon. The police reported that about 2 p.m., the boy was among a group of persons who were gathered at the intersection of Beeston and James Streets in a section of downtown Kingston known as Spoilers. Gunmen in a motor car reportedly drove up and opened fire indiscriminately, hitting the teenager 5 times before making their escape. The teen was rushed to hospital, where it was discovered that he had been hit in the neck as well as other parts of his body. He was attended to by medical staff and was declared to be in serious but stable condition. The community known as Spoilers is bordered by North Street to the north, Wildman Street to the west, East Queen Street to the south and South Camp Road to the east. In recent times there has been a flare-up of gang violence in the overall community, and several violent incidents have occurred. No one else was reportedly injured in Monday afternoon's attack. We now move to, on the brighter side. Students from the American International School of Kingston, AISK, have donated $1 million to the Mustard Seed communities through the institution's Creativity, Activity and Service (CAUSE) project, which is a part of the International Baccalaureate program at AISK. The combined efforts of 16 grade 11 students and 6 grade 12 students raised the funds and surpassed their initial target of $250,000. The students have been in virtual contact with the staff and residents of the Mustard Seed communities since September of 2020. They commenced their fundraising efforts in mid-October and successfully quadrupled the target. Donations were made available online through the Mustard Seed Community's donation page, designed for AISK and cash check donations handed in at the school.